Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Rumina AI, which is gonna be this one right here. And I think this is collaborated or came from CapCut. Well, anyway, just create an account here, basically using a dummy Google account if you may. Now on the first thing you're gonna see here is gonna be a lot of pictures. So these pictures are created by other creators as well. With the prompt over here, you can use this one if you want to, but I'm gonna discuss that one later on. So if you want to create, just simply click on create on the left side. You're going to have your assets and the canvas for you. You can choose AI image here, an AI video, an AI avatar. Choose which kind of model you're running. 3.0, image 3.1, which is the newest, or 2.1. I think these are going to be the oldest. You can choose your aspect ratio there, 1 by 1, 16 by 9, or even change your resolution. And I think this one is going to be draw text on image. This is also a new feature. So since AI is becoming a trend right now, there's a new feature inside Dreamina. You can upload an image here and then AI will create a photo that reflects that image. For example, this one. This one was created a reflection of an image uploaded earlier to keep consistency. Same goes for this one. I think this is gonna be a K-pop idol. Was created with an AI image as well. So to get started, click on the create option on the left side. And you'll see right here some different styles I've made before. Here, these are gonna be around a new model versus this one as well. If you notice, they're different in every way possible. This is gonna be on Studio Ghibli style. This is, I think, a realism style, and this one is gonna be cyberpunk. But the prompt is basically the same. Speaking of prompts, just enter your prompts here and making sure you have a good one. A tip for you guys is be very specific. For example, a cat in a park, rolling in the grass. Something like that. Make it simple, pretty easy. So I'm not gonna change everything here. I'm just gonna simply click on enter and wait for it to finish. Also, if you want your characters to be consistent, I suggest uploading a photo there. Let's try downloading a photo of a cat here. How about this one? I'm gonna upload this one, save it as an image. So I will show you how it should look like. So I'm gonna upload a photo of a cat here. The one I just got from earlier. Perfectly right there. So it's currently recognizing the cat itself. I think this should be good to go. Click on done and click on OK. So I have a reference image with the prompt. So AI will now create photos based on my prompt that's referenced with the reference image. Well, anyway, these are the photos that I got with a simple prompt from earlier. Pretty awesome, right? It's really rolling in the grass. And this is gonna be our new images created by AI with the prompt as well as a reference image. So wait for it to load up, and here we have it. Pretty awesome, right? I think the one with no image is much more realistic. Well, that being said, that's gonna be by your own taste. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.